Your resume has one job: get you an interview. But here's the problem: most resumes never even reach a human. Companies now use automated systems to scan applications before a recruiter ever sees them. These systems filter resumes based on keywords, formatting, and relevance. That means a strong candidate can still get rejected simply because their resume isn't optimized correctly. This is where artificial intelligence can become a powerful advantage. AI tools can help analyze job descriptions, improve wording, highlight achievements, and optimize resumes for modern hiring systems. Used correctly, AI can transform an average resume into one that stands out. But the key is knowing how to use it properly. A resume is more than a list of jobs. It's a marketing document. Its purpose is to present your skills, experience, and achievements in a way that convinces employers you're worth interviewing. The challenge is that many people struggle to describe their own accomplishments clearly. Others write resumes that are too vague, too long, or poorly organized. Artificial intelligence tools can help solve these problems. They can assist with writing, editing, keyword optimization, and formatting. However, AI should not replace your personal story. Instead, it should help refine and present your experience more effectively. Let's explore the best ways to use AI to improve your resume. Using AI to analyze job descriptions. One of the most powerful ways to use AI is analyzing job descriptions. Every job posting contains important clues about what employers want: skills, responsibilities, key qualifications. AI tools can quickly scan job descriptions and identify the most important keywords. These keywords often determine whether your resume passes automated screening systems. By understanding which terms appear most frequently, you can adjust your resume to match the language employers expect. This doesn't mean copying the job description. It means aligning your experience with the skills and terminology companies are searching for. Rewriting bullet points with AI. Many resumes fail because their bullet points are too generic. Phrases like responsible for managing projects or worked with a team don't tell employers much. AI tools can help rewrite these statements into more powerful descriptions. Instead of focusing on duties, strong bullet points highlight results. For example, a simple statement about managing a project could become a description that emphasizes outcomes, improvements, or measurable impact. AI can suggest clearer language, stronger verbs, and more concise phrasing. This helps transform routine tasks into meaningful achievements. Adding quantifiable results. Employers value measurable results. Numbers make accomplishments more credible and easier to understand. For example, increasing sales, reducing costs, improving efficiency. AI tools can help identify opportunities to add numbers and metrics to your resume. If you provide details about your work, AI can help structure those achievements into statements that highlight measurable impact. Even approximate metrics can strengthen a resume significantly. Numbers show that your work produced real outcomes, improving clarity and grammar. Another simple but valuable use of AI is editing. Even small grammatical errors can make a resume look unprofessional. AI writing assistants can review your resume and identify issues such as grammar mistakes, awkward phrasing, redundant wording, unclear sentences. They can also suggest improvements that make your writing more concise and professional. Recruiters often spend only seconds scanning each resume. Clear and direct language helps ensure your key achievements stand out quickly. Optimizing for ATS systems. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, commonly known as ATS. These systems scan resumes and rank candidates based on keyword matches and formatting. AI tools can help evaluate whether your resume is ATS-friendly. They may suggest improvements such as using standard section headings, avoiding unusual formatting, including relevant keywords from job descriptions, ensuring that important information is easily readable by automated systems. Optimizing for ATS does not guarantee an interview, but it greatly increases the chances that your resume will be seen by a human recruiter. Creating multiple versions. One mistake many job seekers make is using the same resume for every application. Different jobs emphasize different skills. A can help generate tailored versions of your resume for specific roles. For example, if you're applying to both marketing and sales positions, A can help highlight the most relevant experience for each type of role. This customization can significantly improve your chances of passing automated screening and catching a recruiter's attention. Improving professional summaries. The professional summary at the top of your resume is often the first thing recruiters read. A strong summary quickly communicates your experience, skills, and career focus. A tools can help refine this section by summarizing your background into a clear and compelling introduction. Instead of a vague statement, your summary can highlight key strengths, years of experience, and areas of expertise. This helps employers immediately understand what you bring to the role. Generating ideas for skills sections. Another helpful feature of A tools is suggesting relevant skills. Sometimes job seekers overlook abilities they already possess. A can analyze your work experience and recommend skills commonly associated with similar roles. This helps ensure your resume includes both technical and soft skills that employers expect to see. However, it's important to review these suggestions carefully. Only include skills you genuinely possess and can demonstrate in interviews. Practicing interview questions. While improving your resume is important, A can also help prepare for the next stage of the hiring process. Many tools can simulate interview questions based on your resume and the job description. Practicing responses helps you communicate your experience more confidently when interviews occur. This combination of resume optimization and interview preparation can significantly strengthen your job search strategy. Using A responsibly. Although A tools are powerful, they should be used thoughtfully. Your resume must remain authentic. Employers expect honesty. Exaggerating achievements or adding skills you do not possess can lead to problems later in the hiring process. A should help organize and present your experience more effectively, not invent experiences that never happened. Your unique story and accomplishments should always remain at the center of your resume. The advantage of A-assisted job searches. The job market is becoming more competitive. Many positions receive hundreds or even thousands of applications. Using A to refine your resume can give you a significant advantage. It helps ensure your experience is communicated clearly. It aligns your resume with employer expectations, and it increases the likelihood that automated systems will pass your application to human recruiters. In a hiring process increasingly influenced by technology, using the right tools can make a real difference. Artificial intelligence is changing how people apply for jobs. Instead of struggling to write the perfect resume alone, job seekers can now use A to analyze job descriptions, refine their achievements, improve clarity, and optimize their applications for modern hiring systems. But the goal isn't to let A replace your voice. The goal is to use A as a tool that strengthens how your experience is presented. A well-crafted resume can open doors to opportunities that might otherwise remain hidden. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button so more people can discover it. Subscribe for more insights on careers, technology, and practical ways to navigate the modern job market. And remember, your resume is your personal story. A just helps you tell it better.